to proceed with the thank you, sir. And the market is open for buying.
Of countries of the world, and our guests participating from different states of India, representing their own language and culture, and my friends coming from different corners of northeastern India, and our friends coming from different corners of Assam and BT region. So today I feel very happy to cut the ribbon to inaugurate the book fair come market shed of the 4th Literary Festival 2025 held at Cox's under the cooperation of the local government BTR. I hope the 3 days gala program of literary events will be a great success with active participation of all of the guests and local participants and students coming from different colleges under BTR. And I hope that the objectives of book fair will also be utilized in a proper way, and I hope the counters of the book fairs will also be open throughout the day and night for 3 days. We are expecting a grand success of the program of Literary Festival of this year and the book fair. I conclude my short speech here. Thank you.